YouTube, what is cracking with you? Back up in the lab with a resurrection. I just posted a video about my pickups in Italy. So if you guys haven't seen that yet, please go back and watch that. If you're new to the channel, comment, like, subscribe. You know, tell a friend to tell a friend. It's your boy Soccer and Sneakers. We're back up in the lab. Today, man, I got a special unboxing. This is a shoe that I've wanted since the 8th grade when it came out, or when I was in the 8th grade when it came out. My mom never, spent a lot of money on kicks for me. She decided to invest in us other ways, and that turned out great. But I always wanted these shoes, man. Every time I see them, I'm just like, man, I wish I could have got my hands on those. And I finally did. They just released last week, this past Thursday, and I was able to get them through the Sneakers app. So let me get into that. But before I unbox the sneakers for you guys, last week, I think it was last week, it was the family and friends discount at the Nike factory outlet. I went up there, man, to get some sneaks, some sneaks, maybe some tech fleece, something like that, but they didn't really have shit in there. So I just ended up getting a pair of soccer socks, 2 pairs of soccer socks, one black, one white. These joints got the cushions on the feet and all that stuff. They're hella tight, and obviously they're soccer socks, so they're long. And then also got myself just a little Jordan tank top. I'm about to go on vacation in Atlanta, actually, man. I'm headed back to the crib for a little bit, going to the Major League Soccer All-Star match. They're playing Juventus. Cristiano Ronaldo just transferred there, and he'll probably feature in that match, so I'm excited about that. It's in Atlanta, in the Big Body Benz, man, Mercedes-Benz Stadium. I'm really looking forward to that, getting some footage, vlogging, and I'm gonna try to bring that to y'all as well. But without further ado, we unbox these joints. It's from Nike, but so you probably can, get to the tape with your hands, get at that tape easily, but for the theatrics of it all, I'm gonna go ahead and open this boy up with a knife. Yes, sir. And again, this is a shoe I've wanted since I was a kid. I was looking forward to coming home today and seeing these on the doorstep. And yeah, man. This is my first, obviously I just opened the box, so this is my first time seeing them in person and in hand. This is a shoe I'm definitely gonna wear, man, and it's the OG Airmax 95, boys. Alright, let's look on the box. What's the official name say? Yeah, Airmax 95 OG. I'm a 10. I haven't tried them on yet, but they were out of 10s by the time I got the Sneakers app, so I scooped up the 9.5. I can usually fit a 9.5 too. The 10 sometimes a little bit more comfortable. But yeah, this is obviously a classic Air Max, especially when it came out. Like I said, I was in the 8th grade. The only one I think that's probably more sought after than this one is the same shoe in the tennis ball colorway. So we're here where you see solar red, that has like the neon green tennis ball color. Some quick facts about this shoe. I just found this out too while I was, after I bought it, and I was just kind of checking it out. It's supposed to be modeled after the human body, right? So the Air Max 95 doesn't have holes for the shoelaces. It has these tabs that you see here. That's the solar red part. Those are supposed to represent the lungs. I'm sorry, the rib cage. The mesh that's surrounding the shoelace loops is supposed to represent your lungs. This, how it fades goes darker from different shades of gray. That's supposed to represent your different layers of muscle tissue. And I thought that was pretty cool. And this is supposed to be, I don't know, you got your 3M right here. I can't remember what that represents, but then here on the back heel you got more 3M, and that's supposed to represent like your spine. So I thought that was a dope. I don't know if somebody made that shit up or not. This is very likely could be. It sounds like some made up shit, but it makes sense if you look at the shoe. So who knows? I just thought that was an interesting piece of information. Some differences on this shoe from the original that came out in '95. Here on the Nike tab, or on the Nike swoosh, on the '95 version it was outlined in black. This one clearly doesn't have an outline. What else? Oh, on the bottom part here, right above the midsole, you have a really dark gray, but on the original that was black, as well as here on the toe cap or the mud guard on the OG '95 that was black, but here it's a darker gray. I think it looks better this way. In hand, man, that solar red is definitely a lighter color than I was imagining. I kind of like that darker varsity red. Like I said, I'm a Georgia Bulldog fan, and when I was looking at it online, it looked like it was a little bit darker than this. But, you know, first looks, I like it. It's dope. It's a dope shoe. Obviously a classic shoe. I'm looking forward to putting it on. I'm sure it's comfortable as well. And, you know, I'm excited to throw it on, man. Well, if you're into the soccer aspect of it, I'm going to be at All-Star Match in Atlanta in the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. That is August 1st, which is next Wednesday. A week from, what's today, Wednesday? Yeah, a week from today. And while I'm in Atlanta, I'll be definitely going to go check out some sneaker shops. I'll probably hit up Wish, Nike store in Lenox, and yeah, a few other places. I'm only going to spend probably about 2 days there, then I'm heading further south, or sorry, back up north, headed this way to South Carolina. Link up with my moms. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys, man. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you who check out the channel. If you like it, please subscribe, comment, like, tell your friends, and thanks to everybody who watched that video who reached over 100 views. Until next time, I'll catch y'all when I'm in the A. Peace.